Short squeeze on GameStop. Okay, what does that mean? How does that impact me? Well, let's talk about it with pizza. I bet recently you've heard about GameStop and about AMC and about the stock prices and short selling and a lot of those concepts that they might not be clear to you right now. So right now we're going to talk about short selling and we're going to try to tie it up to the current situation or to the current circumstances. So let's talk about pizza, right? Pizza is something that is very close to my heart. So you get a loan, right? You ask for a loan, but instead of getting money, you get pizzas, right? So 5 different extra large pizzas, right? So your loan is you receive 5 extra large pizzas, and your obligation is to pay back 5 extra large pizzas in the future, right? You are not, you don't owe money, you owe pizzas. In this case, you don't, if we want to translate it to the current situation, you don't owe money, you owe stock, right? Shares of stock of companies. So let's assume the current market price for pizza is $5. So you sell your 5 pizzas for $5, you get $25. Your expectation is that in the future, you know, let's say in 3 months, you will be able to buy pizzas for $3, right? So if you buy pizzas for $3 and pay your pizzas back, you're making $2 per pizza, right? You sold it at $5, you buy it back for $3, you're making $2 per pizza, right? And that is great. Now, what happens if the price goes up? Well, if the price goes up, you are gonna be losing money, right? Because you already sold the pizza for $5, but then you need to buy it back. And if the price is $10, you are gonna have to pay $10, right? If the price is $20, you're gonna have to pay $20. And here is where it gets complicated. You know that the minimum stock price is $0. Well, if the company goes bankrupt, you are not going to pay anything for the shares of stock. But the maximum price can go up and up and up and up, right? And if you are short, it means that you're going to be losing a lot of money. You're going to be losing a lot of money. And that's what's going on with hedge funds right now. Some people in boards and Reddit found out that some large hedge funds were shorting shares of stock of GameStop, AMC, and other companies, right? So what they did was what it's called a short squeeze, right? So basically, they know that these hedge funds have millions of dollars tied into these positions, so they start buying, you know, but they start buying the shares of stock, right? Think of it, they start buying pizza so that the price of pizza goes up, and then when the hedge funds need to buy the pizza back, they're gonna have to pay a lot of money for it, right? Instead of paying $3 that they were expecting, they're gonna end up paying $100 or $1,000 per pizza, right? So that means that you're gonna be losing a lot of money. That means that you're gonna be losing a lot of money, and that is really, really bad for you, right? So that is the current situation. Instead of pizza, right? It's shares of stock, but that's what's happening, right? So it's gonna be an interesting situation to monitor. I know some trading platforms have stopped or have paused trading some of these shares of stock that are involved in this situation. But the developments are going to be very interesting, because I really think that the future of investments is going to depend on whatever happens with the situation we're living right now.